Let's take this example for how to calculate the z-test, just for practice.
We use the formula and substitute the values. 450 minus 420 over 120
What's
divided
happening?
by the square root of 64.
What's this?
So
Oh my god.
we use the formula.
This is what happens when you run out of your credits for your AI app. Oh my god. Let me just change the screen. 1 second. So in this example, as you can see, Sarah Malik believes that the mean monthly utility bill is greater than 420 dirhams. This is the hypothesized value. A sample of 64 households has a mean of 450 dirhams. This is the actual sample mean. The population standard deviation is known, as you can see, because this is z-value, and still the sample is more than 30, is 120. Find the z statistic. So you need to apply the z statistic equation. This is a step by step. You need to first to put the equation or the formula. Z equal the x bar, which is the sample mean, 450 dirhams, minus the mu 0, which is the hypothesized value, over the standard deviation, over the square root of the sample mean, or the size of the sample, which is 64. So 450 minus 420 over 120, which is the standard deviation, over the square root of the sample size, which is 64. This will give you 30 over 120 over 8, which is the square root of the 64. So this will give you 30 over 50, and the final answer is 2 for the z. You need to compare it with the z for the specified significance level. So if it's a 5%, it will be 1.96, and it's not a big difference. So I think that when you got this kind of question, like it's very near, you will be given a significance level of 1%. So it will be far, so that you can compare. If it's 1%, so the z value will be more, will be 2.58, meaning that you will need to accept the null hypothesis and reject the H1 or the alternative hypothesis.